Hello, folks. When Scott visited last month, I didn't have a good experience with my Autogyro G2V2. It rolled over and I couldn't turn it back over because mainly I forgot to use rudder. With this machine, you've got to properly use rudder, especially when it's windy. It wasn't a bad crash and it was easy to fix, but now that Joe is here to watch, this is how you're supposed to fly it, especially in this 15 to 20 mile per hour wind. Here we go.
Whoa.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Beat it again. Well, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Stay tuned for the next episode because you're not going to believe what I'm flying next. There's a quick pick.